Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that how to create anime character in Leonardo. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is sign in with your account in Leonardo, and in the home page of Leonardo you can see different options like image generation, real-time canvas, canvas editor, motion, real-time generation, and on the last universal upscaler. Here you have to tap on this option real-time generation, and if this option is not here, then take a look on the left side. Here is the option real-time generation. Both are same, so tap on one of these. And here you have to write about your enemy. What type of enemy you want to create, means a kid, a boy, a man, a woman, or an old man. Just for now I want to create a boy, so that's why I only write a boy, and you can see it create this. The next one is tap on this option dynamic and tap on the first option anime. Here you can see after tapping on anime, Leonardo transform my image into an anime. You can also adjust this by yourself by swiping these lines. If I swipe this line to the right side, here you can see my anime changed a little bit. So swipe this by yourself, and when you think your anime is best, then tap on this option create upscale. Here you can see the option go to your personal feed, look for this anime character. So I am going back from here by tapping on this exit which is on the left top, and let's go to the personal feed by tapping on this personal feed option. And here you can see my anime character. Tap on it, and if you want to download, then tap on the option download. So it was the basic way by which you can create anime in Leonardo.